Chai tea is originally from China and India, and it has been used in the Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine and in the Indian holistic healing system. It is getting more and more popular in the Western world as well, and most cafes now serve chai tea or chai latte. Hello guys, I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, continuing with our Food Fundamentals series. And in today's video we are talking about chai tea and its health benefits. Chai tea is a blend of black tea and herbs like cinnamon, black pepper, clove, ginger and fennel. It is sometimes served with warm milk or steamed milk, and it is called a chai latte, and it provides several health benefits. So first of all, chai tea contains caffeine, which can help you feel less tired and also increase your energy levels. Caffeine can have a positive effect on your mood, your ability to focus and your brain function. Studies suggest that drinking caffeine can reduce the risk of certain brain-related diseases like Parkinson's disease. But chai tea contains less caffeine than coffee. Chai tea contains antioxidants called polyphenols. In fact, it contains more polyphenols than most fruits and vegetables. Polyphenols can help reduce the damage that is caused by free radicals and oxidative stress in the body, both of which can lead to chronic diseases. These antioxidants can also help slow down aging. Chai tea can also be great for your digestion, mostly because of the herbs in it. Chai tea can help regulate your digestion and also keep your gut healthy. It can also help reduce the risk of several digestive issues like IBS. Chai tea can help reduce nausea because of its ginger content. The compounds in ginger can treat nausea and have anti-inflammatory properties that can calm an upset stomach and ease stomach pain. Chai tea can also be good for heart health because of the black tea and the cinnamon content can help reduce blood pressure and also cholesterol levels. Chai tea can help reduce the risk of heart disease, which is unfortunately the #1 cause of death in the world. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and clove, chai tea might help reduce pain. Ginger can help increase circulation and also transfer oxygen-rich blood to the areas that are in pain, so it can relieve the symptoms. Clove is also used for 2000 years as a homeopathic remedy to treat minor pains, for example toothaches. Chai tea can also boost your immune system if you drink a few cups a day. This is because of the cardamom in it that contains vitamin C. Black cardamom also has antiseptic properties, and green cardamom can detoxify the body. Chai tea might also help fight common cold, bacteria and fungus. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also please leave me a comment below whether you like chai tea or chai latte or not. I love chai latte with oat milk. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, and also please hit that little notification bell and send this video to a friend who might find it helpful as well. So until the next one, bye guys! At Bites Fitness, our mission is to become and stay healthy together with you. And we provide health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.